I am sharing my red kidney bean recipe. Let's get started. You will need 2 cans of red kidney beans, 1 small diced onion, half cup of crushed tomatoes, oil, homemade red kidney bean spice powder, and salt. List of ingredients and quantities will be listed down below. You can also find the recipe to make the red kidney bean spice powder at home in the description box below. In a medium-sized pot, add oil. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add our chopped onions to the pot, and we are going to saute the onions for 5 to 8 minutes or until they're golden brown. Once the onions have a bit of color, you can add a bit of water to the pan so your onions don't burn, and this is another way to deglaze the pan. Now add the crushed tomatoes and mix well. Add the salt. Now add the spice mix powder to the tomato mixture and mix well. Cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. And now we are going to add the red kidney beans. Add about 1.5 cups of water. Cover with lid and cook on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. The liquid should evaporate and you will have a thick gravy at the end. Serve this with rice or naan. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the like button.